What's going on, everybody? Just checking in after getting a good amount of time with the beta. I think I'm going to put together something of a highlight reel. Fortunately, most of it's going to be in much better lighting than my first video. I appreciate you checking that one out. I definitely wanted to get the first drive up on the channel as soon as possible. I'm going to play around with the content that I bring you guys. I want to keep this fun and entertaining. So I've got ideas that involve something blooper-esque, the funny ways that autopilot messes up, and the things it does well, and my reactions to a lot of it. And in time, customer reactions. That's going to take a while. I do not feel it is time to bring it to customers, aside from the rare occasion that somebody inquires about it and gives me the go-ahead. But I expect that to be few and far between. Keep in mind, this is a beta. It's going to mess up. That's expected. And interventions are a good thing. It's training the system. So I hope you enjoyed today's highlight reel, and I'll see you in the next video. We have a short, quick trip over to pick up a customer. Just trying to get all the beta exposure we can. Just trying to change lanes here. Okay. You're gonna need to turn though. Okay. Jesus, we have so much construction up here. I don't know how this is gonna go. All right. This little Honda's taking off. Let's see how that planning is for the AI. There we go, there we go. Okay. We gotta get over one more time. This is a super complex intersection. Super complex. Ooh! Oh, cones, cones. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Whoa, okay, yep, taking over. That was bad. That was really bad. It did not know how to handle that. We're gonna go ahead and report that. Let's see how it does this. Okay, it's handling this pretty good. This is another really tough spot. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Nope. Couldn't handle it. This person behind me is probably like, what the hell? Okay. I'm gonna go back into it now. We'll snapshot that. All right, we should be creeping forward to check for visibility. It is completely clear. There we go. Not bad, not bad. All right, now we're getting onto a rather busy road, especially this time in the morning, University Avenue, heading kind of northeast. Let's see if it's gonna creep out enough for me to see. I know it can see better than me, apparently. We got plenty of time. Go, baby, go. Woo! Hell yeah. Really, all we got to do is do good enough to get to the highway, and then it's pretty cake from there. Automatically cleaning windshield due to it being dirty in front of the cameras. Look at you. If that isn't semi-sentience, I don't know what is. Even going the speed limit when you're not the one driving feels so fast. Okay. Weird system. Weird system. I hope that my commentary is more entertaining than annoying. I apologize if it's the latter, but also not sorry. It's just gonna get stuck. Yep. Well, that's great. Oh, it's okay. Turn signal on. Love it. You know, the car never forgets the turn signal. It's one thing it's got over people. All right, let's see. We're creeping forward for visibility. And we're about to execute a right on red. Good, good, good. At least when it came time to execute, it got on it and got out of there. So far, so good. Here we go. Good lead, good lead. Solid, confident left turn. I wish there was a way to like upvote good things, like we can report snapshots on bad things. It'd be nice to get the car some positive feedback. All right, we are slowing down way too much. That was unnecessary. Whoop, no. See? There we go. It decided for a split second that it wanted to shoot out. Next time we go through here, I'll give it a chance to correct itself, but we've got a lot of cars behind us. All right, here we go. We got a bit of a dip down. Let's see how it handles this. No one's behind us. All right, there we go. It's pretty good, pretty good. We see this car. All right, now we should have an unprotected right curved into the highway merge. Little unconfident, but you know, it didn't lose too much speed. And you know, the rest is history from here. All right. Not bad, not bad. Hopefully it's smart enough to stay in the outside turning lane. It was an issue earlier. It's part of the planning in the neural network, knowing that it needs to be placed on the outside to take the right following. Hopefully we make it through. Jeez. Okay, here we go. It's a little shoddy, little shoddy. But that was really good. That was smooth, confident. Going into the corner initially was a little weird, but not bad. All right. This curve is low and long. All right, we're good. All right, yeah, there's another up. For some reason, the car wanted to turn right. Okay, looks like we got a left-right split up here with no stop sign or anything. This is interesting. I guess we would classify this as an unprotected left with no stop either way. Okay, oh. We survived. Things like that are concerning. There's no stop for through traffic or anything. Is this another one? Okay, here we go. I'm nervous again. Ooh, but I can see this time. Okay, we're clear. We're totally clear. Cars checking for visibility. Okay, it's better than what it did last time. Very nice. Okay, here it is again. Ooh, no visuals here. No visuals, no visuals. Car. Another car. No car to the right. Okay, go. Yes! Woo! It got it too. We spun a little bit there. Oh my gosh, we did it! First drive! 0 interventions.